So hey you guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you are new, welcome. I'm Gleens. This is the beginning of our Vlogmas series. I've decided to join the Vlogmas trend, and yeah, this is gonna be the first episode of Vlogmas. Welcome to Vlogmas. Nailmas, everything and about nails, me, and what's going on in my life lately. In this video, I'm gonna introduce myself because I don't think I've ever introduced myself on this YouTube channel before. So that's a shame, I know. Yeah, I know it's a shame. So in this video, I'm gonna introduce myself and tell you guys a little bit what's going on in my life lately, why I'm gonna start this Vlogmas series, and also what you guys will see in this Vlogmas series. Okay, so let's start. My government name is Gleniet. I'll put it in the screen. My government name is Gleniet. Everybody here, my friends, family call me Glenie. And on social media, I'm actually Gleens. Yeah, but you can call me Glenie. Yeah, call me Glenie because you're also my family and friends, right? So that's my name. I am currently 29 years old. I'm almost 30. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, yep. I'm almost 30 and I love doing nails actually. Yep, I've been doing nails I started when I was 12 years old and now I am 29. So I'm doing nails for almost 17 years now. So that's a long time, but I just love doing nails since I was a little girl. If you guys don't know, I'm from Curacao. And in Curacao, you can buy like nail products like everywhere. You can buy nail products at the supermarket, acrylic products I'm talking about. You can buy acrylic products at a supermarket. You can buy acrylic products or nail products at everywhere. At like a mini market, everywhere. You can just buy, you can buy nail products in a pharmacy, so everywhere. So every time I just smelled the acrylic odor, I was like in love. So I just knew I wanted to do nails. But I always asked my parents if I can start doing nails, but they said, no, you're too young, which I understand. I was like 10 when I started asking. And when I went to high school, my father said, you know what? Okay, you can go and start. My father said, okay, I will buy the basics for you. And with the basics, you will do your friends, family, and friends with, and you will ask for just a little bit of money, not a lot. With that little bit of money, you will keep investing in your product. And that's what I did. 17 years later, a lot of experience behind, a lot of experience, a lot of failures, a lot of good things that happened in the past 17 years. And now I'm here. Yep. I'm here on YouTube introducing myself to you guys, okay? I just kept practicing. I actually learned doing nails from YouTube. Yep. I learned doing nails from YouTube and I just loved it. I just love doing nails. I just love it. The clients, I love it. Being creative on nails and just make women feel pretty. I just love that. So that's what inspired me, or that's what a reason where it's all started. And my ambition was always to have a beauty salon. So I wanted to start a beauty salon because I wanted that women can feel pretty and do their nails, their toes, their everything. And that's what I wanted, but I wanted it to be different, like Instagrammable, big, something that you never seen before. The interior needed to be it needed to be perfect. So I have started with my beauty salon in 2022, I think. I didn't came with the idea. I worked all my life to open the salon, and the opening of the salon was in 2022. And I don't think it's not the biggest mistake of my life, but it's the biggest mistake of my life. No, I've learned a lot, but opening a beauty salon is not for the weak. No, it's not for me. I didn't like it. So in 2022, I've opened a beauty salon. I was so proud of myself that I could open what I've opened, but it's not for the weak. There's so much things that you need to know before opening a salon and that I didn't know about. But this is also a topic that I will be talking about during this Vlogmas season. I will guide you guys in the process of me opening a salon, losing a lot of money, but with that money, I've bought a lot of experience that I can now give you guys for free on my YouTube channel, right? So that's a plus. So there's a lot of things that you have to know before opening a beauty salon or building a brand or knowing your identity, a brand identity, and know what you want to do. And that's the process that I'm in right now. I'm in the process of catching up with my YouTube channel again because of the beauty salon, I didn't have time to invest in my YouTube videos anymore. That's why you didn't see me being consistent anymore. And that's one thing that I'm ashamed of. And I think that's also the reason why I started to do, or I wanted to do this Vlogmas series to like boost you guys with videos for 20 days, 25 days. So you can come along. It's gonna be a raw and authentic video or Vlogmas. So you can see what I'm about, know me a little bit, and we're just gonna go with the flow and see. I'm taking you guys along with me because I'm now in the process on finding myself again after opening this salon, knowing what I want, knowing what type of brand identity I want, and just figuring out what I want. And I think that I now know that I want to be more focused on online things, my online shop, my online courses. Oh, by the way, I forgot to tell you guys, but my online courses are now on sale. I will put the link in the description box below. The acrylic perfection course is on sale right now. Our acrylic manual book is on sale right now, and also the gel X course is on sale right now. So go and grab your acrylic course, gel X course, and your handbook. Get them all. So yeah, so I just want to focus on online things and my online products, and I just want to be a mentor for you guys. I just want to be there for you guys and build a community. So I maybe inspire just one people. I hope I can just inspire a small group of women to be the best of their best, the best of themselves, and just enjoy this process of being a nail tech, and to show the world that being a nail tech is just not only being a nail tech, but you can be more than just a nail tech. You can build a business, you can be big, and you can be what you want to be. So this process of this Vlogmas, I'm gonna take you guys with me along. There's a lot going on. As you can see me sitting right here, this is the last day that I'm sitting here in this salon suite. So yeah, there's a lot of things that I need to tell you guys, but yeah. I'm gonna take you along with me. It's gonna be excited. I really hope I can make these 25 videos, because with everything that's going on, I don't know, but if I need to be day and night editing and filming, I'm gonna do that, because we are gonna reconnect. Yeah, we need to reconnect. So that's what I'm gonna do. I will see you guys in my next Vlogmas. Grab all your snacks, grab everything, so you have enough for these 25 days, okay? Yep. Okay, you guys, I will see you in my next Vlogmas episode. Thank you so much. I will see you in my next videos. Bye.